photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect.
Thank you. That's the coloring. And then mix it. So this is our dough. Okay. And now we're gonna start rolling them and put the filling, okay? So this is monggo beans, boiled, and then with brown sugar and a little bit of salt and a little bit of butter or margarine. Okay, this dough is good for Spanish bread, chocolate bread, and ensaymada. Spread out mo lang. Ayan. Put like 1 teaspoon. At least. Then fold. 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 Perfect. Twist it a little bit. Like that. It's a design also, so twist it. Perfect. Twist it a little bit. Like that. It's a design also, so twist it and pinch it at the end. Okay, guys. Yeah. Cool them down, and when they're cool, we're gonna put star margarine or butter on the top and mush it in the sugar. And then push it in the sugar. Yep. Like that. Continue lang. Time to taste. Okay. Tastes like Philippines lang. That's it. Enjoy baking and enjoy eating.